All right, so I've already prepped my nails, and now we are going to come in with gelish foundation, and I am going to put this all over the new growth, which is not that much actually, and the extension, or I should say the gel that we already have on our nails. All right, so I'm going to take another layer of the gelish foundation, and I am just going to apply this to the nail because I am creating a little barrier. Instead of like using Jimmy Gel or another soak off product, I am just going to do another layer.
With a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kiss.
Okay, so I have these two angel papers. One is opaque and then one is see-through. So I'm going to apply these to the nail because we're doing that like psychedelic type thing, and I want some fun things under the nail.
Body sun could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but where to say?
Well, that was a battle. So I'm also going to take that foundation gel again. So technically this is our third layer, and I am going to leave this wet because we are going to apply that angel paper. Actually, thinking about it, you should probably do one at a time there so you can flash cure it. Now that those are cured, I'm just taking a file and getting off these edges. Now I'm going to grab some other colors, but first we are going to encapsulate these because I want this to be on the bottom. I'm going to use Jimmy Gel. Use whatever encapsulation polish or gel you want to use.
I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
Alright, so this was my inspiration, so I'm semi-cheating because y'all know I'm not going to be able to draw this stuff. Alright, I went ahead and matte top coated that one because I needed it to stick down. It wasn't sticking too well, so that's that. But we are going to top coat these, and this is a matte top coat. And we will start with the design. All right, these are the ones that I'm using thus far. I am going to do a little swirl here.
Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it,
All right, here is the finished set. This took an embarrassing amount of time. Like, I'm not even gonna tell you. So, I love it. I think I like it. Let's just say that. I don't know. I just expected more from it, and I just couldn't, I guess, execute it. But, I mean, I'm not mad at it. Just, I don't know. I had other things in my mind, and I don't think I could get it out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'd go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start